Well, hey everybody, this is Bob with my solar water heater project, and I don't know if you can see well enough or not, but basically what it is a bunch of copper pipe crisscrossed back and forth from bottom to top, and the inside's painted black. And there's a thermocoupler over here that gets connected to it, and it comes out right there and goes down to my control center, which I'll show you in just a minute. And it's not connected right now because it's winter time, and if it was, there would be a disaster with something freezing, so it has to be disconnected for now. But during the summertime, this sucker puts out some scalding hot water, man. I don't think I have any energy bill on my water heater at all during the summertime, so that's really cool. Okay, well anyways, we'll go downstairs now and take a look at the control center. All right, and there it is again, like the one on my solar furnace. This is another one of those sensors that controls this system. And basically what it does, when it gets to a temperature of about, say about 140 degrees up on the roof, it'll kick in this pump right here, which recirculates it through the pump, or through the water heater rather. And then on the back side, when it gets to the lower temperature water, it cuts off and waits for it to heat up again, and just cycles over and over again all day long, just like that. So that's about it right there. There's a lot more detail as far as the plumbing and all that kind of stuff, but that's a little too complicated to go into, so we'll just leave it at that. So anyways, thanks for watching. Catch y'all later.